multi-row cards. In simple card option, we have only one card, but in case of multi-row cards, we have the option of showing the dataset with the help of multi-row cards. It is the extension of card showing multiple related metrics in rows. So when to use it to display a small set of related KPIs together, when you have some kind of data set that each key performance indicator is related to the other one. So under what scenario you can use multi-row cards for summarizing key financials like revenue, cost, profit by category or performance metric by team. Then comes the labeling option. So under what condition and how to label all of these cards. So in field, you can enter multiple measures. Then for category, grouping field, and for images, it is optional. And as there is no option for x-axis and y-axis in card, and similarly, there is no option for x-axis and y-axis in multi-row cards. So now let's see how to label multi-row cards. So now here you can see that we have a multi-row card, and as you can see that there are multiple cards that are showing in a row. First row, second row, third row, fifth, and sixth. And you can see that we have here the sales of different colors. This is for black color, this is for blue, and this is for multicolors, this is for red color, this is for silver. And you can see that what is the total product cost category, what is the total sale amount, and what is the tax amount. Similarly for the blue, what is the total product cost, total sale amount, and tax amount. So this is how you can make and explain the data set with the help of multi-row cards.